Knowing this, I certainly won't be paying $144 for the Lume Cube panel, although I do have their product, but looking at this, I can't really justify paying so much. Hi everyone, welcome to my first unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside this LED video light. According to the specification, this is a bicolor LED video light ranging from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. It has got a LCD display, and according to the spec, it has got Type-C input and output with quick charge. The CRI index for this video light is 95, which means that the color accuracy for this is fairly good. The built-in battery capacity is 3.85 volt at 4000 milliamp. The net weight for this LED light is 180 gram. Let's see what's inside this box. Let me put this away. The packaging for this LED video light is fairly minimal. It comes in a fairly simple card box, and let's see what's inside here. So what we have here is a cold shoe adapter, the LED light itself, a dedicated output line. It's with a Type-C connector and USB-A. Another USB-C to USB-A cable. A nice little, well, I think it's velvet pouch for the light. As you can see here. And the warranty card, which I doubt it will be useful considering it's all in, in Chinese, and it's based in Shenzhen. And some basic instruction information with English over here and Chinese over here. Right, let me put this aside. The casing for this LED light is fairly good. I think it's aluminum. It certainly has got some weight to it. And what I like about this is the quality, like I said, is good, and then there is no visible screw, i.e. the whole thing is like one piece. There's a protective film here, which I'm going to be removing it. Just as a size comparison, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. here, you can see that the Note 9 is actually bigger than the LED light panel itself. In terms of the thickness, I would say the LED light panel is slightly thicker by a few millimeters compared to the Note 9, but overall, you could definitely carry this with you all the time. So in terms of what's on the casing itself, obviously there is this 4 button here that allows you to control the lights. The other ports available is to screw mount. I believe this is 3/4 of an inch mount that allows you to mount both horizontally or vertically, well, depending on which way the orientation is. But other than that, there is a USB-C port here, which I believe is the input and output. Instead of using the cables provided here, I'm just going to be using my cable, which is type C to C. First, to check the output. Again, I'm going to be using my Note 9 to check the output of this battery. So once I plug this in, this LCD lights up, indicating that it's charging, and I noticed that on my phone it's saying fast charging. So this battery, or should I say this LED light, actually serves as a fast charge power bank, which is really good. To charge this LED video light, I'm going to be using my power bank with USB-C output as well. So let's see. As soon as I plug this power bank in, this LCD light lights up, as you can see. So it's saying it is charging this LCD light. The logo is slightly different for this charging, i.e. charging your mobile phone or any other devices. There is additional logo showing about here, but right now it is saying that, you know, it's topping up this LED light. It is very good that they also included that this cold shoe mount. The way it works is that you just screw them in. Like this, and then you just slide this into any hot shoe on your camera. It's also very handy to have both the horizontal and vertical orientation, because sometimes you might want to mount your light this way, and sometimes you want to mount it this way. The way it works is that you just need to press the on button. As you can see here, the LCD light up. So the good thing about this LCD is that it gives you quite a lot of information. This is the remaining hours if you turn the lights on, and this one is the temperature. Second row here is the brightness. Right now it hasn't got any brightness, which is 0, hence the running hour is 99.9. I believe if you circle it through by pressing the M key here and press the plus button, the lights will turn up. Obviously, you can see that the percentage adds up there, but at the same time the duration reduces, which is a nice handy little feature. So the higher I go, the lesser the running time shows on the clock, which is very good. Right out of the box, the battery is showing that it's full, and the color temperature right now is 4500 Kelvin. So right now, if I were to increase it, you can see on the video that it's becoming cooler as we go towards 5600. And then if we were to go down slightly or go to 3200, it's noticeably warmer. To turn off, simply press the on-off button for I think 2 seconds and then it will turn off. My thought about this and the Lume Cube panel is that I can't really justify paying so much over what I've paid for the Lume Cube LED light, because I'm paying only like 28 quid for this light, whereas for Lume Cube it's 144 US dollar. The functions are similar, but in my opinion this light has got better functions in terms of, you know, the cable that you need to carry, and then the number of screws or the lack of over here. You might get better support from Lume Cube if you buy their LED video light, but in my opinion, for the amount of money that you pay for one Lume Cube LED light, you can get 4 or even 5 of this, and if it breaks down, you can always replace it. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find good value from my video. I intend to release more videos in the future if, you know, I get more support from you guys and I know this is helping you.